Okay, so let me see. So, if we're looking at this patch panel, or this port matrix, let's zoom out. This is our port matrix for Longhorn Steakhouse. We have switch 1, we have switch 1, we have switch 2, we have switch 3, we have the patch panel 96 port, we have the patch panel 24 port, we have the patch panel label, and then we have the cable color at the end. Now, how do we figure out what patch panel ID these are? There's only 2 options for patch panels, but we have 3 here. Which ones are which? Very easy. First, the 96 port patch panel, right here. Jesus. Right here. 1, 73, the 26, the 50, the 3. All of those are the 96 patch panel. All the ones in red, all the ones in blue, all the ones in orange. These, those, these, and these. All of these are on the alpha panel. The ones that say 24 port, these are all Bravo. The 1, the 2, the 5, and the 6, I know it's hard to see. The 9, the 10, and I know you can't really see that says 17. And even this one down here is 15. Now, how did I get this? Our first patch panel we put on it, on the rack, the first panel we put on the rack, as well as the largest panel we put on the rack, is the 96 port patch panel, 1 through 96. If you see something over 25, you see something over 24, you know that it's on the 96 port patch panel. And that will generally be your alpha panel. The B panel or the beta panel will be your data 24 port panel. I say data because we have 2 24 port panels. Looking at this, we have a voice panel and a data panel. And to just back out a little bit, you have the 96 port patch panel, alpha, that's data. You have the 24 port patch panel, that's data, that's Bravo. And then you have the 24 port patch panel, which is voice, and that is Charlie. That's how we come up with, can you hold this real quick? That's how we come up with numbers such as these. V1.01 Charlie. That's on a 24 patch panel, but it's on the voice one. That's why it has a Charlie. Same thing with the V2. It's a voice one, so it's on Charlie. And the FX, it's on Charlie. That is fax. That's voice 2 and that's voice 1. Rewrote it. 96 port patch panel, data, A. 24 port patch panel, data, B. 24 port patch panel, voice, C. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, you may have a different concept. This concept may have, a different panel scheme, patch panel scheme. There could be a 96 port patch panel at B. There could be a 96 port patch panel at C. They could all be 96 port patch panels. They could all be 24 port patch panels. The point of what we're doing is identifying the panels. Going from top to bottom on the rack, we go A, B, C, and so on. For us, our 96 port patch panel is A, our data 24 patch panel is B, and our voice 24 patch panel is C. That is why we do it like that. And this video was just to go over how we read the port matrix. Just knowing the 96 port patch panel column is A, and then the adjacent one, or the one next to it, the 24 patch panel one, is B, makes it very easy to read all of these port matrices, and you can utilize this moving forward.